Hey YouTube, how you doing? I'm James Hodges, welcome back to the channel, and this is my 2019 setup video. Right, so I spent a lot of time sitting at this desk, whether that be for my live streaming.
James. Why do you... Victory! Yes!
Link in the description, or editing my videos. I'll be honest, it's not looking its absolute best at the moment. But at the same time, I'm actually pretty happy with this setup I've got here. If you see anything you like during this video, I have a list of it all down in the description for you guys to check out. I'll try my absolute hardest to include everything from my PC hardware to my peripherals and to this small IKEA plant.
Now let's start with the most obvious thing you see when looking at my setup. My 4 monitors, starting with 3 23.8-inch edge-to-edge monitors from AOC, making the perfect multi-monitor setup without ruining the effect with chunky borders. These things make playing games that support ultra-wide gaming an absolute dream. To accompany these, I have the Asus ultra-wide monitor. Now, I don't think this is actually made anymore, and I actually got this from my friend when I absolutely destroyed my previous monitor. Thanks for that, Andrew. Now powering all of these, I have my beast. Now let's quickly run through the specs. For Asus Prime B350 plus motherboard, AMD Ryzen 5 processor, 16 gigs of Crosshair DDR4 memory, Elgato HD60 Pro, and the SMI GeForce GTX 1080, which is ideal for getting games on freeloader. All of this is then inside my Win 303 case. Right, peripherals. Okay, don't hate me, I have an old Mac keyboard which half the keys don't even work, and I have no idea where the hashtag is. Yeah, this isn't ideal. My mouse is just a cheap £10 mouse I found on Amazon. It does the job. When it comes to streaming, you honestly can't beat Elgato. I have the Elgato HD60 Pro built into my PC to capture gameplay with zero latency from my PS4 that sits just to my left. The mic I use is the Shure SM58. I've used this mic for years, for videos, streams, and even live music sessions. So now we have the desk. So this is actually just a kitchen countertop from IKEA. I think it was about £40. Supporting that, we have one of the very popular Alex drawers. And right here I have my card reader, which is really helpful as I don't have an SD slot in my PC. I need some better tape. On my right hand side we have a leg stand. Again, this is from IKEA, but doubles up as a headphone stand. These headphones are my Triton Karmas, which I've been using for my PlayStation for years. Everybody knows that no setup is complete without a few mascots scattering around the place on shelves, just little bits of memorabilia from your favourite things to add that little bit of personality to your setup. And it also makes it a little bit more special for you.
Now, this video doesn't end here. So what I want to do is start a series on this channel where you guys help me pimp my setup, with the aim to eventually build the ultimate setup. You guys hopefully help me along the way. So I really want this to be a collaborative project, where you let me know your ideas in the comments or hit me up on Twitter about them, and then I'll take all those ideas and hopefully build something amazing here. So please guys, if you have any ideas at all, let me know what they are. You've seen what it's like already. We got a long way to go. So if you've enjoyed this video guys, please hit that like button. If you want to follow along with this project as well, then make sure you hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when we next do one of these series. But that's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next week.